This is a short tutorial on how to form a new team in the Carrot Challenge. So first, start the app and swipe over to your Wellness tab, in this case it's the UAW, and tap the reward tile for the challenge. You're going to be presented with the details of the challenge. Just tap the join and you have three choices. You can either join a random team, and join an existing team, or form a new team. Let's form a new team and give it a name. In this case, we're going to call it the New Step Walkers, and then tap the join button, and this will generate a team code that you can share with your teammates. Once you tap on the reward again, you'll be able to see your team code. So tap on the reward, and there's your team code. Go ahead and share that team code with all your teammates. And check out the next video on how to join an existing team. Thank you. This is a short tutorial on how to join an existing team on Carrot. Go ahead and start the app and swipe past your Wellness tab to get to the Challenge tab. Tap on the reward tile, tap the join, and once you tap the join, you can join an existing team. You're going to need to know your existing team's team code in order to join it. So go to your team leader and get the team code. Enter it in here. It's not case sensitive, so go ahead and type it in and tap the join button, and now you're part of your team. So if you tap on the reward again, you'll be able to see the team that you joined. Thank you. This is a short tutorial on how to form a new team in a Carrot Challenge using an Android. So go ahead and start the Android app, and you're going to want to swipe over to your Wellness tab. In this case, it's the UAW Wellness tab, and then tap on the reward tile for the challenge, and you can read more details about the challenge, the rules, when it starts, how many people are going to be participating, and what types of teams, and the duration. You have three choices. Once you tap the join button, you can join a random team, you can join an existing team, or you can join a new team. If you join a new team, you're going to be asked to come up with your own team name. So as a team leader of your team, you're going to want to put your team name in here. In this case, it's called the Step Brothers, I believe. And once this forms a team, it'll form a team code. So once you go back into the reward tile, you'll be able to share that team code with your teammates for them to add to an existing team. So once you tap on the reward tile, you'll be able to see the team code right there. If you have any questions, please send us an email at support@carrotwellness.com. Thank you. Hello, this is a short tutorial on how to join an existing team on an Android in a Carrot Challenge. So go ahead and start the app and swipe over to your Wellness tab. Tap on the reward tile for the challenge. Tap the join button. And in the join button, you're going to have three choices. You're going to want to swipe over to tap the to join an existing team, and you're going to need your team code from your team captain in order to join it. So go ahead and enter it in here. It's not case sensitive, so all you have to do is enter a 6-digit team code that was given to you by your team captain, and tap the join button, and then you're part of your team. So once you join, just go ahead and tap on the reward tile again, and you'll be able to see that you joined your stepbrother team. Thank you.